Hello guys, I have a small problem with the Excel inserting data from website. So for by default, if I copy and paste this one link to using website insert website, data insert website, and by default, which site all these selected over here only showing up. So some other results also maybe showing up. For me, I don't want that result, so I like to get this result. United States all share stock result. So by default, it's coming down John result only. For me, I like to get the United States all stock shares. By default, it's not selecting. So I don't know how to get that one. So if anyone know how to using query or any visual basic comma anything, let me know. So I want to show it to you how what's the problem I'm facing for now. So these are the table whatever showing by default in that website. So if anyone watching this video is not clear, uh, leave me a comment so I can able to elaborate or explain more. So what are the problem I'm facing right now? Here 30 row only showed up, so not I can't able to select it any other site also. Nasdaq 100 if I select it, I like to get that data insert to what we call Excel. It's not going to work it. So if anyone know how to do it, let me know. So I don't know what else I had to say. So if I'm whatever I explained to you guys is not clear, let me know so I can able to elaborate with my question. So investing.com, there I tried several ways, so it's not succeed. For me, I'm going to make it another example. So investing.com. So I'm going to let me say indicator real time. Okay, this will come gold. Okay, suddenly I can't get any commodities. Okay, if there anything with a drop down list, it's not going to work it. So I don't know why. I have no idea. Tesla, Euro. Let me check the Euro. Any drop down. Okay, for example, another example. If I want to get it, what we call Europe stocks. So okay, 50. I don't know how to get that one. For me, if I just copy paste it like this, only show up yeah, insert data, new query from other sources web. Okay, give me a few more seconds. Okay, these are the ASF over here. Show up. So how many data I don't know. Load it. It's going to 40 rows. So if I count it out, so you can able to see the only 40 rows over here. So that's a small setback for me doing the insert data from website. So I don't know anyone willing to teach me or show me any other ways. Please let us know and comment or anyways. Thank you.